What is residential plumbing and how does it function in homes? Residential plumbing supports the basic water needs of houses and small dwellings. It delivers clean water and removes wastewater through a network of pipes and drains. Key fixtures include sinks, toilets, showers, and water heaters. Most systems use PVC, PEX, or copper pipes, which are reliable and easy to maintain. These systems are designed to provide comfort, hygiene, and water efficiency for daily use. Regular care is important. Maintenance prevents leaks and costly repairs, helping households save money and avoid water damage. Residential plumbing is simple, effective, and essential for daily living. For dependable residential plumbing services in Perth, Marchant Plumbing and Gas is a leading choice. Their skilled plumbers handle everything from routine maintenance to urgent repairs, ensuring homes run smoothly with clean water and reliable drainage. They provide expert support for hot water systems, leak detection, and fixture installations, always with an emphasis on quality and efficiency. With service locations in Roleystone, Callaroo, and Victoria Park, they offer quick response times and convenient local support. Choosing Marchant Plumbing and Gas means securing trusted licensed plumbers who keep your home safe and your plumbing system performing at its best. So, for your plumbing needs, call the experts now, Marchant Plumbing and Gas.